Okay, so Supernatural recently introduced boxing. And I love this. It is so fun. Oh my gosh. All right, let's get into something here. I'll start with something on the easier side. Let's see. Where's an easier one? I'll do this one, I think. Broken Dreams. Leanne Pedante. It's got some good songs. It's a good warm-up.
What's up, champ? I'm Coach Leanne. Welcome
What's up,
to
Coach?
Broken Dreams.
Okay, here we go.
At the top of every song, I like to take a deep breath, blow all the air out through my mouth.
I'm gonna make it bend and break.
You're gonna get ready to get in that zone.
But let the good times roll. In case God doesn't show. And I want these words to make things right.
Don't worry about
the ones that make the words come to life.
And make your movements in control.
If that's the worst you got, better put your fingers back to the key.
Jab, cross, up. Jab, cross, up. Flip, cross, flip, jab. You recognize that? Let's do it again. There it is, taking tiny steps as we rotate. Making sure we're always facing that portal. Switching stance here. Right foot forward, left foot back. Southpaw time. Here we go.
Looking forward to the future. But my eyesight is going.
Now I'm an orthodox boxer, and southpaw took me a long time to feel comfortable in. If you're feeling that right now,
always cloudy except
a wider stance and recognize that there is value. Getting good at balance feels a little bit uncomfortable, you know what I'm saying? Here we go. Jab, cross, hook, flip, cross, flip, jab. Drop those shoulders away from those earlobes. They're not earrings, okay? Good time to breathe here. Good time to take in ice blend a little bit. What's that? Show me some power. Back to orthodox stance. Hands up and guard. Let's go. Last 30 seconds, champ. My abs are on fire, but I'm not giving up. It's over. Stay with me.
Woo! That was nice.
Take those shoulders, roll them up to your ears, and then slide them back down
gosh.
towards your back pockets.
So fun.
Stand up tall. Thanks for the memories, baby. Now let's get to work.
All right, I'll take that. Oh, man. I'm so sore. I've been doing this almost every day. I can't help myself.
Straight punches, little duck, and uppercut. Duck and uppercut. Make that duck nice and quick, so you're right back in your stance.
Let me know that I've done wrong when I've known this all along. I go around a time or two just to waste my time.
let's hit our last track. You and I are about to make some memories here in Machu Picchu with this one.
If you're a lover, you should know the lonely moments just get lonelier the longer you're in love than if you were alone. Memories turn into daydreams, become a taboo.
This track starts off a little bit timid, but it's
I
gonna pick
don't
up.
want to be afraid. The deeper that I go, it takes my breath away. Soft hearts, electric souls, heart to heart and eyes to eyes. Is this taboo? Baby, we built this house on memories. Take my picture now, shake it till you see it. And when your fantasies
Not just so that
become
you're
your
marching in
legacy,
place, but because I want you moving your hips, moving the weight of your whole body into every part.
I think of you from time to time, more than I thought I would. You were just too kind,
Check out where your skin
and I
is.
was too young to know.
Sometimes I'm getting a little eager. I'm just moving my head closer and closer to that portal.
Was a fool.
Get those ears tapped right over your shoulders.
Baby, we built this house on memories. Take my picture now, shake it till you see it. And when your fantasies become your legacy, promise me a place in your house of memories.
Quick double cross there. Eyes forward. Woo. There we go. This is the fun stuff.
Those thoughts of past lovers, they'll always haunt me.
Drop it low.
I wish I
Drop it low.
could be
Straight punches to the body right there. Baby, we built this house on memories. Take my picture now, shake it till you see it. And when your fantasies become your legacy, promise me a place. Eyes up.
Baby, we built this house on memories. Take my picture now, shake it till you see it. And when your fantasies become your legacy,
Straight punches low.
promise me a place in your house of memories.
Double jab cross. Pump it.
In your house of memories.
Double cross jab. Athlete, do you want to take one more look around Machu Picchu before we get cooled down?
Sure. Oh my goodness. Oh, I think I might have missed one in the whole set there at the very end. They came in a little quick. And my timing was a little off. Anyway, very fun. All right. Let's kick it up a notch here.